Hello everybody! Since I'm quarantined again, I got time to do a how to dance Užičko Kolo tutorial. Some people asked for that under my Vlaško Kolo video, and yeah, Užičko Kolo is also a dance that is really popular in Serbian parties, but I think is also really known in other Balkan states. This is how Užičko Kolo looks like. And I'm gonna show like a really basic version of it, so you just get used to the rhythm and the feeling of the dance, and so you don't interrupt other people when you join Kolo, so you can join and have fun even though you're not as advanced as the other people. But as soon as you know how to do this, you can also switch to other versions of the dance. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like from behind, because that's the easiest way to copy it for you. It's actually really easy. So how it looks like from behind, the really basic version, is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you go 3 to the right. You always start with your right leg. 1, 2, 3. Now your left leg is like free, because when you finish those 1, 2, 3, the leg is up. And then you just tap in front of yourself. Like this. You just go in front of yourself. Let's have a look on it from this perspective. So as I said, we're always starting with the right foot, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, tap, 5, tap. 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 And now we're gonna do it with some music. If you need to practice a little bit more, just go back to the video to the point where you did not understand it. We're gonna have a look on it, how it looks like with music. So yeah, now you learned the basic version of Užičko Kolo. It is not that hard, isn't it? Yeah, if you want to go a little bit advanced, you can do like little jumps, and I have seen like hundreds of versions of this dance. You can just do what I also do, look how other people dance and try to copy it somehow. But yeah, as long as you know the basics, you can always join the Kolo and dance with the other people.